NVR versus DVR. What to choose for video surveillance if you are planning to install a video surveillance system or simply want to understand the nuances of video recorders that are necessary for connecting video surveillance cameras, then this video is for you. Today, we will take a detailed look at how a digital NVR recorder differs from a hybrid DVR recorder, what their pros and cons are, and most importantly, which recorder is best suited to your needs. Stay tuned until the end. There will be lots of useful information, examples, and tips. Let's get started. At first glance, NVRs and DVRs look similar. The casing, buttons, and displays all look the same. But the difference is in the connectors where the surveillance cameras are connected. Hybrid DVR recorders work with analog and AHD cameras via BNC connectors. Each camera is connected with a separate coaxial cable. A digital NVR recorder records video from IP surveillance cameras that are connected to it via twisted pair. The cameras are connected via a network switch, which can be either external or built-in, such as the popular 4-channel ISON NVR04PoE recorder. The main advantage of DVR recorders is their more affordable price, but the image recording quality of IP equipment is 30% higher when comparing video surveillance cameras and recorders with the same parameters. It is also worth noting that the FPS, i.e. the number of frames per second, of IP equipment in modern 2K and 4K resolutions will be significantly higher, i.e. the image will not be blurred in comparison with analog AHD options. Power supply in analog systems, such as ISON Pro S, requires not only a video cable, but also a power cable for each camera, and they come as a set. In IP systems, everything is simpler. There is PO technology, which is the transmission of video signal and power over a single cable, for example, as in the ISON Alpha Pro X set, one wire for both image and electricity. Conclusion: fewer cables means less installation time, more convenient installation, and fewer power supplies. NVR is part of a large ecosystem that is essentially unlimited in the number of cameras. The platforms allow you to manage hundreds of cameras, configure backup and analytics. DVRs are limited in these capabilities. Choose analog DVR solutions if you need, up to 32 cameras without complications and a more budget-friendly price. Choose digital NVR solutions if the following are important to you: the best video recording quality, power and image over a single cable, scalability, and smart analytics. Like this video,